Welcome to the New York Outlook for Wednesday, the 20th of March 2024. Starting off with the economic calendar, we had one dreadful significant news event for the London session, which holds bearing over the New York session as well, because all of the New York news releases that are of significance are subsequent to the end of the trading session and thus has no bearing on our trading for today. The key focus point that I do want to talk about is the CPI. The news was negative. Whilst good for consumers, is bad for the currency, and we're anticipating that the British pound would move to the downside. Because of that, this doesn't fit in with our narrative, and if you recall from the London Outlook, essentially what we had said is that from a daily perspective, we have multiple bearish candles and we're anticipating that a bullish candle is overdue, and because of that we're only considering longs. From a 4H perspective, we were in an unconfirmed scenario, and because of the unconfirmed scenario we were trading between two 4H OBs, and we were looking for this long leg to continue and ultimately reach the substructure target. However, because of the negative GBP CPI news, we're now moving to the downside as anticipated by the news release. As a result of that, any long ideas for today are invalidated because there is no red folder US news in the New York session to enable us to actually take any long trade ideas. For that reason, we're pretty much done trading for today, and that's pretty much the New York Outlook. Because of the similarities between this New York Outlook and the end of day review, I'm not going to do an end of day review today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow for the London Outlook.